Welcome to our YouTube shorts on how processors work. In this video we will explore the fascinating world of computer processors and uncover the secrets behind their functionality. A processor, also known as a central processing unit or CPU, is the brain of a computer. It is responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations that enable the computer to carry out various tasks. At its core, a processor consists of millions or even billions of tiny electronic components called transistors. These transistors are arranged in complex circuits that allow them to communicate with each other and process data. The processor receives instructions from the computer's memory, which contains the programs and data needed to perform specific tasks. It then decodes these instructions and carries out the necessary calculations or operations. One of the key components of a processor is the arithmetic logic unit, or ALU. This is where mathematical calculations and logical operations, such as addition, subtraction, and comparison, take place. Another important component is the control unit, which manages the flow of data and instructions within the processor. It ensures that instructions are executed in the correct order and that data is properly stored and retrieved. Processors also have a cache, which is a small amount of high-speed memory that stores frequently accessed data. This helps to improve the overall performance of the processor by reducing the time it takes to retrieve data from the computer's main memory. In addition to these components, modern processors often have multiple cores. A core is essentially a separate processing unit within the same physical chip. Having multiple cores allows the processor to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, improving overall performance and multitasking capabilities. As technology advances, processors continue to become faster, more powerful, and more energy efficient. Manufacturers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible, enabling computers to perform increasingly complex tasks with ease. In conclusion, processors are the heart and soul of computers. They enable us to perform a wide range of tasks, from browsing the internet to running complex software. Understanding how processors work is essential for anyone interested in the world of technology. We hope you found this YouTube Shorts informative and that it has given you a better understanding of how processors work. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content.